Hi, hello Putanis, my dear lovely children. I hope all of you are studying well and let us start the lesson today. So, as we were discussing earlier, so the date was on 25th and the question number is 69. Now we will go with 70. Okay, question number 70, date is 26th of Feb. Fine. So we have only 2 days left in the February. Fine. So let us start with the discussion, and as I usually tell in the each video, that is my personal proverb. Fine. If you miss something in a day, that means you might have not lost anything. But if you miss in a day me and my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel, then definitely you will be having a loss. That means you will be losing one question which is related to maths, and you will be having a issue with the mathematics. You may run away from the mathematics. Okay, that's why I expect you to spend minimum 20 minutes each day to watch one video in my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel, where you can understand basics of maths. If you are not belongs to Navodaya, you are studying in any class, either first to 10th or plus 2 or degree or whatever. Okay, so maths is the different subject which is like unique. As I usually tell, it's a very useful for in your day-to-day activities. But the point, let's begin with the question number 70. What it says, what we have to do it in the question number 70. Fine. The question number 70 is looks like a simple, but you have to use your common sense to solve this question, because it's a common sense question. As I might have told already, this kind of questions already showed you in the previous video also. Okay, I just write it the question, based on that we'll discuss later. Okay, the least number which is divisible, by 12, 15 and 25. So this is the question. Okay, I'll just write here the answer, that means the option, and later I'll explain you how we can go about it. Fine. The option A, B, C and D. The option A is 300, B is 150, C is 200 and D is 400. Done. So this is the option come questions. So I'll just take you through the details and you can understand easily now how you can do it. Anyways, so let us discuss with this, and I hope you may be having a clarity about the question. I'll explain you once again. The least number which is divisible by 12, 15 and 25 is, yes, question is correct. So here we can use small common sense. We can use small common sense. Based on that, we can find out from these three number which option is going to be divide. Okay. So what I can tell is you just go with the 12 number of the division, 15 division, 25 division, it comes 300. First we'll see one by one. Okay. I just take now 300, 12, just write it this side because it has to come 3 now. So 12, 300, or we can do it like this. Then 12, 150, 12, 200, 12, 400. Okay. So why I am writing is I will check each one of the number. Based on that I will go and finalize this. Straight away I can tell the simple option directly. I will tell you how it is. So 12 2 is how much? 24. Right? 6 is left. 12 5 is 60. Gone. Fine. I just tell you once again. 12 2 is 24. So how much left? Right? I can do it directly because I know this number it won't go. 12 2 is 24. So 30 minus 24 is 6. 0. I have taken the down. Fine. 25. Sorry, 12 5 is 60. So it's going without remainder. It's divided. Let's I'll plan for a 12. 12 is there again. 30 will be comes here. 12 ones are 12. Okay. Let me take you through here only. The best method is this only. If you have a calculation or if you know the tables properly, then you can go directly there. So I don't want to get you the confusion. Let us start from here and we can finish it. So 12 2s are 24, 6 0, 12 5s are 60. So this is clear. Now let's come with here. 12 1s are 12. So 3 left, 0 I will take it. 12 2s are 24, 6 left. Okay, again I have to take a dot. So here it's divided without remainder, but we have a decimal. Here we don't have a decimal. Okay. So 12 2s are 24, 6 left, 30 minus 24 is 6. Again we have taken the 0, 12 5 is 60. So this is absolutely clear without remainder. Here 12 1s are 12, 15 minus 12 is 3. We have taken 0, 12 5 is 12 2s are 24. Again 6 we got it. We put the 0 because it's a 6 is the smaller than 12. Okay. That's why. Then we have put the 6 and 0. Now let's will plan here if it is without remainder we'll get or not the answer. Okay. So here again 12 200 is there. So 12 2s are 24, it won't come. 12 1s are 12. So 8 0 72 8 dot 0 again 6666 comes. Okay. Here 36 4 again 4.0. Fine, students. So I have solved all the options by 12. Okay, I'll explain you how it works. Then we'll go with 15 and 25. Fine. So it is divided clearly. I hope you have seen. 12 ones are 12. Again 12 twos are 24. Dot, because we have taken 0. 12 fives are 60. Fine. Here 12 ones are 12. 8 is remainder. Again 0 we have taken. 12 sixes are 72. The 8 it won't go because 8 is lesser than 12. So that's why again we got 6 6. Here 12 threes are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. 0 we have taken. Again 12 threes are 36. We got 4. 4 is lesser than 12. That means 12 is greater than 4. So that's why I put the 0. So gone. It comes again dot dot dot. So that means 12 is dividing this but not that. Okay. So we'll plan here 15 now. Now 12 we have finished. Now we will go with 15. 15 twos are 30. So 15 twos are 30. 0 0. So 0 is left. Then we will keep it here as a 20. I will show you the cross multiplication. 15 multiplied by 2 0. It's 0 0. 15 twos are 30. Done. 3 0 0. So that means it's a correct 20. We'll plan here. 15 ones are 50 again 0. So that's gone. 15 threes are 150. Okay, 15 threes are 150. It's only 30. Right? Here we'll again starts with 15. 15 ones are 15. 5 0. 15 threes are 45. 5 dot 0. 15 threes are. Here 15. 30. 10. 0. 15. 6 ja. 90. 10. You put dot. Again it comes. So that means successfully these two numbers divided. This was done by 12 and this was also done by 15, but this we got a decimal. Here we got both. Now we left with 25. So let us try with 25. Fine. So 25 will start. So 25 ones are 25. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 0. 25 twos are 50. So here 15, 10 and 25. Three numbers is dividing clearly. But here we will see. Here we got second one is correct, but first one is the 12th. It was a decimal. Fine. Here 25. 6 ja. So it's dividing by 25. Here 25 8s are 200. So it's dividing here 25 8s are 200. 25 ones are 25. Letters will be small and 150 150. So with 25 only, it's divided these numbers, this also, but this came in the proper without decimal. Okay, so I'll just explain once again. When we had divided this by 12, we got absolutely we have divided without no remainder. This we got without remainder but decimal. This we did not divided through entire because of these two numbers is wrong. In 15th also we got here clear because of first we did not get, it's a decimal, that's why it's rejected. Third also remain the same, it's got clear, but because of decimal we are not taking this. So we are taking only 300. 300 is the answer, option A. Got it? So this is how you have to do it. If you know the maths or if you know the table properly, then you can go directly with that. You don't need to think about that. Clear? So what I can suggest you is prepare well. Prepare well and just as I showed you, you just go through once the time tables. After finishing the table, you can do the bahat or you can just make a note it on 2 to 10 times, then you will be remember easily. Whoever may ask you at any moment on the road also, if they may ask 5 6 ja, 7 6 ja, 10 8 ja, 11 5 ja, 12 2 ja, you let them ask wherever they need. Easily you can answer them without having any fear, because you will be becoming a perfect regarding that. You got my point? So that's why I expect you to learn basics first. Basics is very important for not only maths, whatever you study for entire your curriculum with all the subjects. That's why you have to be thorough in the basic. If you go for a job also after like becoming a IT employee, because I am working in IT, I know that. So that's why I usually suggest guys, if somebody is classing 5 6 years, they will forget everything, the basics, whatever they learned in their curriculum. So at the time of interview, what we do is we will ask them the basics more, because we want to know how strong he is in the basics. Because if you miss the basics, then you may be having a difficulty to face the challenges, or you may be having a issue to solve the issues in the IT. So that's why wherever you go or whatever you do and any kind of job you can do it, that is none of the attack without you are having a basics. Basics is really very important in your life also. Like you can go and ask somebody elders, they will tell only one word: don't forget whatever you came the way from the beginning. That means you don't forget the back, whatever happens, the past tense. That means if you know the past tense, whatever you face the challenges, or you may have seen the ups and downs, or you may be face the many issues in your life, and you may come across with the all those kind of reality of a pain of your life, then definitely whatever you are today, because of that, for that reason you should not feel or forget the earlier what your status or how you was there. So if you forget, then definitely it's very difficult you to grow in your life. That is the reason you should not forget each and everything in your life, whatever it happens. It may be career, it may be personal, it may be any kind of challenges wherever you go. It may related to sports also, it may related to general activities or cultural activities, whatever. So what I expect and you to do it, and what I can suggest to you, all of you, is don't miss or don't lose any information, or whatever you have done earlier, don't forget it. Just try keep on brush up. Because of that reason, I am just teaching this because I don't want to lose or forget my maths. That is my favorite subject as usually. Gentle. Okay. Fine. So I can wind up the session because I understood you, all of you, at least learn something today, and I hope my class is very much useful for you guys to make your life very easy in mathematics. Fine. I'll catch you in the next class, which is on 27th with question number 71. Till that, bye.